Okay, here's our front window panel out of the 27 Chevy. We got it out. Material's ripped there. We're going to have to do something there. That's where the mirror was fastened, right there. And then you flip it over, and this is the contraption they got. That's the one side. It's all dirty and nothing, no grease on it. So we're going to take that apart. We'll clean that up and grease it. Same with this over here. This is the other side. These slide into a track on top of the window, and then when you turn the crank, that's what winds the front window up and down. And if you look in here, that's the little piece where that piece slides in. One slides in here, then one slides in that side. And then you got your hanging points here. You got one point here where the panel fastens. You got two over here where the panel fastens, and then you have two on that side where the panel fastens. And then up above, I'm not sure what we got up there. I'll have to get a flashlight and look at that. But that's just the upper part of the roof. They have a little piece of trim here that goes from the roof down to that panel, so it closes it off. But we're going to fix this up, grease it up, and then we'll get her back together. All right, talk to you later. Bye.